What up? It's your girl Peach here. My channel is about natural hair products, tips, tutorials, techniques, anything to help you along the way in your natural hair journey. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button down below so that you'll be a part of the Peach Posh crew and get notified on all my latest videos. Let's get started in today's video. Alright, so today is day 3 of the 12 Days of Christmas hairstyles. So I wanted to do something a little different, so we're going to do 3 silver braids. Now, I know you guys are looking at my hair. I went ahead and I separated it off camera, and I think I'm getting some Cindy Lou Who vibes from The Grinch That Stole Christmas. Comment down below if you think that that's true, because that's what I felt like it looked like. But basically all I did was I separated my hair into 3 sections so that I can have 3 braids. So it's basically just one here on the sides, and they're going back. I'll show it to you guys. Alright, and that's basically it. I went ahead and I did use my leave-in to make sure my hair is going to be moisturized through this process. Let me tell you the things that you're going to need. I want to start with the middle because I feel like when I braid, my hands rest on my hair, and I feel like I'm going to mess up the other braids. Now I went ahead and I sectioned my hair off into 2 for this part just because it was easier, because it's such a large section. Now my hair is detangled, but I want to just kind of rub my hands through it a little bit. I'm going to take some of that gel, and as we always do, we want to make sure we put gel on the perimeter. Sometimes I like to apply my gel with my comb, my rat tail comb. I might use it other than for parting, just for distributing the product, because it can kind of get on in there and get with the perimeter of my hair. I feel like the middle braid is the most challenging as well, not just because it's in the center of your head, but because it's like the main focal point. So I feel like that can be a challenge because you know it's going to be seen the most. So I'm going to brush this in to make sure that it's kind of smooth at the top, and then I'm just going to start braiding. I'm going to section this part off here and begin to braid. The main challenge here is going to be making sure this braid is straight, and I am not looking in a mirror, so I am really filling this out, you guys. So I'm not going to bore you guys with me just braiding here. I'm going to fast forward through this part, but you guys can listen to my husband playing "We Wish You a Merry Christmas" on the trumpet. Secure it with a rubber band and twirl the end. This is the side of my head that I don't like the curls sometimes. Okay, so if you notice the difference between these braids, I can tell this has more product. I put that gel in it. So that's the other reason why I don't like to put as much gel. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I know. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, yeah. So from here we have our 3 braids. Alright, so make sure your string is somewhat even here. Alright, and what you want to do, I'm going to be looking at a mirror, you guys, because I can't see as good, so I need to see what I'm doing. I'm going to take this piece and just put it on top of my head and measure about where I want it to start. Okay, so what I want to do, I'm going to take the needle, make sure it's closed, okay? Make sure your needle's closed and push it through. When I get to the other side, I'm going to take the string, close the clamp, hold it down a little, and pull that through. When I pull it through, the string comes through. So then I open it back up. I just continue this process throughout all the braids. This is my final look. I think it turned out great. I like it. I did run out of strings, so I did something different in the back. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I have a different pattern. So with this hairstyle, you can be as creative as you like. Use a lot of string, use a little string, change up your patterns, anything that'll work for you. So thanks for watching, you guys. Be sure to check me out tomorrow. Bye.